How did academically help you to clear the exam? Like, what was academically's role?
So within 3-4 days now, I just focused on basic things, and there
Hmm.
are 3-4 questions were there in the exams which are really based on the basic things also.
Right before attempting the grand test, the
Yes,
AI powered grand test, which we
yes,
say
yes.
before the exam. So, how much confidence did that build up while preparing for the DHA exam?
Academically is really supportive. I will suggest everyone who want to prepare for the DHA, na, yeah, it is really good.
Being a woman, having kids, and working in the clinic and passing the exam is a
Yes.
very big thing. Congratulations, Dr. Sonali, on clearing
Thank
the
you.
Dubai DHA General Dentist exam. How are you feeling, or how much effort did you put on for this particular exam?
Yeah, I'm feeling really good, and efforts are too much because I was handling everything, and with that, I just cleared the exam.
Yeah. And I remember when I had the first conversation with you, you were like, ma'am, meko clear karna hai. This is
Yes.
my timeline. This is the way. And I was telling you to postpone if you're not able to
Postpone
do
the
it. You said,
exam. Yes.
no, I will do it. Yes, se hoga. And last time when we had connected, this was so Dr. Sonali, one thing I would just ask you, how did academically help you to clear the exam? Like, what was academically's role?
Okay. So first of all, thank you for the academic support and guidance throughout my journey. Okay, and the main thing academically is given that it is a structured syllabus. So many mock tests are there, so you will get a good idea exactly in which way you need to study. Okay,
Hmm.
so that is a really good thing, and also there is a live sessions with doctors also, and they are really helpful, and Dr. Kaylee and Dr. Chandni, so they help us to clear the concept which was
Hmm.
really not clear in the college days also. So that
Hmm.
is a really plus point, and also academically is really supportive. I will suggest everyone who want to prepare for the DH, na, yeah, it is really good.
Right. And Dr. Sonali, like you were the one who was always studying, like lectures, and also me. Whenever I used to tell you, कि Dr. Sonali, ये पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ना है, ये पढ़ लो, and you never said no. That हाँ मैम मैं पढ़ लूंगी. Even though you had so many things to go for, हाँ मैम मैं कर लूंगी. And sometimes I became strict. Also, I remember right before your exam, probably 10 days before your exam, I was telling you that reschedule कर लो अगर नहीं आ रहा है. But then I had to be that. I can't have a filter version with my students. राइट आई हैव टू टेल देम द रियलिटी कि इतना स्कोर किया
Yes,
है आपने तो एग्जाम में इतना स्कोर होगा विच क्रिएट्स अ पुश दैट नहीं मुझे
yes.
और इतना मेहनत करना है राइट इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग सेटिस्फाइड सो हाउ डिड
Mhm.
दैट हेल्प यू द वन ऑन वन मेंटोरिंग एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स फॉर द
Actually,
टेस्ट
the see the time limit was there for me because I have so many family issues also. But the thing I asked you that, ma'am, please arrange a mock test for me, right? And you really did it as early as possible for me. Thank you for that. Because through that mock test, na, I got know that you also need to study the basic things also. Because what happened now, sometimes we go in deep instead we don't focus the basic things. So from
यस
that test I got no, yes, you have to study the basic things also, like that carries वाला जो classification everything, वो तो मैंने कभी
हाँ
पहले शायद कॉलेज में किया होगा, बट अभी तो मैंने नहीं किया था, to be frank. So within 3-4 days now I just focused on basic things, and there are 3-4 questions were there in the exams which are really based on the basic things also, because sometimes we forget to
यस
focus on basic things. So that mock test also helped me a lot, definitely,
या
because I
सो
passed
डॉक्टर
in that
सोनाली
mock test, so it builds my confidence.
या
I
दैट्स ट्रू
was like, if
दैट्स
I will
ट्रू
fail in that mock test, na, so might be I was in the mind that ki I need to postpone the exam. So I asked you, ma'am, what is the result? Or do you think I really need to postpone the exams? So you told
राइट
me like just keep studying, keep studying. Let's see what will happen.
Yeah, and I was so because when I saw your score, they're just given proficiency, ki high proficiency hai. So looking at that only, I understood that yes, you have passed the exam. I was telling you also, you would have passed, Dr. Sonali. ये देख के लग रहा है because we keep on
Yes,
looking this for the other
yes, yes,
students also. So you had already given so many mock tests, Dr. Sonali, है ना?
yes,
मतलब
yes,
almost 50 mock tests you had given.
Yes,
right before attempting the grand test, the
yes,
AI powered grand test, which we
yes,
say
yes.
before the exam. So, how much confidence did that build up while preparing for the DHA exam?
That mock tests are really helpful because in a lectures also we cannot cover each and everything which is required,
Hmm.
right? So
Hmm.
you will get the idea from that mock test ki which topics we need to cover for the same exam. So the mock
Hmm.
tests are really helpful.
Right. Okay. So,
But
if there is one student, yes.
one thing I want to suggest for the upcoming student, like that everything is okay, but
Hmm.
scenario is the most important thing. That
Yes.
no, we know the theory, but when you appear for the exam, when we exactly go there, we'll sit, just be calm and just believe in your experience. That is the thing what I did in my exam, because covering each and every theoretical part, it was really not possible for me, because
Right.
simultaneously I was going through the clinic also, my kids also, family also.
Hmm.
Thing.
Yes,
So
and
it
then
is
you have
not
cleared
like
the exam. So it's a superpower, Dr. Sonali. Matlab, you
thank
were
you.
doing your clinic, and there's this
Yes.
one gist, or this people feel that you can't pass any foreign licensing exam if you're working. That's not true. If you are
No.
working, you are studying simultaneously, you're managing kids. Being a woman, having kids, and working in the clinic and passing the exam is a
Yes.
very big thing. And I must tell everybody who are watching me, the students specifically who are going for DHA exam, she's the one who had read everything. एक एक लेक्चर देखा था, एक एक टेस्ट किया था, एक एक पीडीएफ पढ़ा था, मतलब everything she had done. Also in the end I told her to read the books, the tables
Yes.
and rest of the things. इतने सारे books थे,
Yes.
and you had gone through all that. So अगर what I feel is, if you have a determination that I have to clear, वो clear हो जाएगा. One question, last question, which I want to ask Dr. Sonali: if there is a student, or there is a doctor, dentist who wants to go for DHA exam, what is the one thing they should not do while they are preparing for the exam?
नहीं, आई थिंक तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि व्हाट द मटेरियल यू हैव गिवन ना, दैट
Mm-hmm.
दैट इज इनफ. You
Right.
should focus on that material only and the
Mhm.
basic things, but it will help you a lot.
Yeah,
And
that's
just
true.
go through the case clinical based questions only. That is the most important. That you only told me in the last
Hmm.
classes. You just focus on these things, and it might be help you. And yet it's really worked for me.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
thank you so much, Dr. Sonali. You have been one of our very good students, and I'm sure
Thank you.
ये बातें सुन के the students who are preparing, who are going for the exams of ours, will also get motivated. So yeah, again, congratulations, and
Yeah.
we are very.
Thank
I am
you.
personally very proud of you. I really wanted you to clear the exam, and you have done it. And yeah,
Thank you.
finally you'll be
With
going on.
your great support, with your great support only. Yes, I did
Thank
it.
you so much,
Yeah.
Dr. Sonali. Thank you.